my lovelies, it's Odette and welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are well. Welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming in and for watching today and for clicking on this video. Please thumbs up, give this video a like, I do appreciate it. If this is your first time just seeing my face here on YouTube, my name is Odette and I welcome you to this channel. Please subscribe and make sure your notifications are turned on and you will be notified every time I upload a video, okay? And so in today's video, I'm going to be doing a very simple makeup look. Nothing too out of the ordinary, nothing too fancy, nothing too heavy on my skin. But first, I'm going to show you guys the steps that I take to prep my skin because I'm using some new things. And my face is already washed and cleansed. And I am going to be using this product here from Uriage. It has become one of my all-time favorite product. This is a dermal cleansing fluid and it cleanses and removes makeup and it soothes the skin. This is for sensitive skin, or if you have redness on your skin, this is for you. This is a very gentle cleanser. Now, I'm the type of person, if I'm wearing makeup or not, I always like to give my face a good cleanse and a good toner before I do anything else, before the moisturizer goes on. What I love about this cleanser is that you don't have to rinse it off. And because you don't have to rinse this off, I would make sure if I'm wearing makeup, my face is completely cleansed, and then I'm going to use this afterwards to make sure it removes every single whatever leftover residue of makeup that's on my skin is going to remove all of it. So what you need to do is take a cotton pad and put some of this on the cotton pad, and like I said, you don't have to rinse this off. This stays on your face, okay? And again, my face is already washed and cleansed, and I'm going in with this cleanser because I do not have to rinse this off. And just a little bit, and I'm gonna tell you something, the minute you put this on your face, you can feel the smoothness, and then you just massage this all over your face. And this is going to help to remove any excess dirt, excess makeup, and especially around the eyes, because I know sometimes when you remove your lashes and all of that, you do have leftover residue of eyeliners and your, just eyeshadows and all of that that's stuck within the lashes. And this helps to remove all of that. And again, you do not have to rinse this off. So we're just going to take a minute and I'm going over the eyes because this is so gentle. And again, it feels really soft on the skin. And there you go. I'm going to leave this in the description box for you guys. My skin feels so soft. And I always believe the products that you're using on your skin, if you are not getting that beautiful bounce back on your skin, your products are not working for you. And because I've just cleansed, I am now going to go in with my toner, and this is from Biore. Okay, I mean, look at, you may not be able to see this, but this is what came off of my face by just using this product. It is so good. And so now I'm going to use my toner, and this is from Biore. And this is a detox toner. Love this. Just a little bit under the eyes, around the nose, around the chin, and very, very, very gentle on your skin. And there we go. So the next new product I'm going to be using, I showed you guys this in last week's video. This is from Bath and Body Works. This is a daily face lotion, and I love the way this smells. And just a little bit on my hands and all over my face, and I just massage this gently. And so this just blends nicely into my skin. It's not sticky. It doesn't make my skin dry. My skin feels so good. And this is the daily face lotion. This is from Bath and Body Works. I really love it. And it smells wonderful. Because sometimes I will often say, listen, I don't really like to put scented products on my face. It's not an overpowering scent. It's very, very, very mild. And it smells wonderful. And so that is my skin prep done. Okay, so I'm going to leave those things in the description box. Okay, this is the derma cleansing fluid from Uriage. This is my Biore detox cleanser, and this is a daily face lotion, and this is from Bath and Body Works. Okay, oh my god, this is looking so gross. So next, I'm going to use my CoverGirl. You guys know I love this product already. This is a CoverGirl color correcting moisturizing primer. It's also a serum, and I'm just gonna give that a little shake, and we are gonna put a little bit of this all over the face. And this is one of my favorite products to use before I put my makeup on. Again, this is from CoverGirl. This is a color correcting serum. It's a moisturizer, and it's also a primer. And it really helps to balance your skin out, balance your complexion out before you put any foundation on your skin. Okay. So I'm just gonna quickly do my brows, just pencil them in quickly. And of course, the brows are never even, but I do love this eyebrow pencil, and this is from Marcel. I'm just gonna leave that in the description box for you guys. I'm going in now with my concealer, and I'm just going to just shape them a little. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. So I'm just putting a little bit of powder foundation over my eyes. Because I want to be able to keep my eyeshadow modified. And I'm going to use my Sigma switch, and I'm just going to remove the eyeshadow from the brush. And this is my Urban Decay eyeshadow palette, which I love. And I'm going to use, I think it's called Cayenne. And I'm just going to put this just in the crease. So same palette, I'm going to use the last color in the end. I can't even see what it is. And this just goes on the lid. Because I'm just going to blend this out. I'm going in now with a blue eyeliner. I'm just going to use the black one just to the front. So I'm just using now my hydrating concealer. This is from Doll 10. And we're just going to blend this up because I really want to have a little bit of a cut eye. A little bit of a cut eye look. And we're just going to take a brush and take a minute to blend this way. Blend it up. So right away you can see the difference with both eyes. This eye is obviously nicely lifted. And there we go. Just by using a simple concealer, I already have that slight lift to my eyes. So I'm going in now with some mascara, and this is from Pacifica. This doesn't really do anything much for my lashes anyways, but we're just gonna go in and just darken them. And there we go. I'm just gonna go in with a lot of black eyeliner as well. Okay, and the eyes are done. So I'm just going to use my Colorstay 24-hour matte foundation. I'm going to use a darker shade, which is 355, but I'm going in very light with this. And there we go. Just very light. And I'm just going to push this into my skin. It's a darker foundation, but it does work. I'm going to be definitely using this foundation for the fall. Definitely. So I don't really want to go in heavier than that. We're just going to get the forehead done. Okay, so I think this is all I need on my face. I don't want to have to go in too heavy with this because, of course, this is a darker foundation. So we're just going to make sure the ears is all covered and just right around the perimeter of my face. And there we go. And so I'm going in now with this lipstick from Fenty Beauty. You guys know about this lipstick already. This is a gorgeous red lipstick from Miss Fifi. I mean, look at that. Oh my God, this is amazing. And I'm just gonna go in quickly with my red lip liner from Becca, just to even everything out. This is a beautiful lipstick. And my makeup is done. I'm not going in with any lashes today. Really easy, really simple, stay-at-home makeup look today. I'm just gonna get the headband off of my head and I'm gonna come back and show you guys what this looks like. Stay tuned. Okay, my lovelies, here we are. We are finished with a very simple makeup look today. It's my stay home makeup look. Very easy, very simple. No lashes today, just keeping it real, just keeping it low key today. And it looked like I'm wearing a full face of makeup, but I'm actually not. But again, my skin prep is more important than anything else. And here we are, finished look. Throw on some earrings, and I'm really loving this hairstyle. I mean, I'm not quite sure why it took me this long to keep my hair this short. I mean, it looks so good. And I think this little short pixie cut really suits my face, and I'm actually loving it. Anywho, we are going to leave it here for today, my loves. I do hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to leave my skin prep products in the description box for you guys. Only 3 products plus my CoverGirl Correcting Serum Moisturizing Primer as well. And that's it. And I do hope you guys enjoyed this video today. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Please come back next week for another video. Toodles.